everyone, it's your girl Anishka. So the last time we were originally we are gonna do data, but then we were like, okay, apparently we need to learn Python first before we do data. No brainer, but actually a brainer because I didn't know. So yeah, today we're going to jump into the introductions of Python. So let's jump right into it. So Python introduction. What is Python? Python is a popular programming language. It was created by GVR and released in 1991. It is used for web development, software development, mathematics, and system scripting. What can you do with Python? Python can be used as a server to create web applications. It can be used alongside software to create workflows. It can connect databases, systems, and it can also read and modify files. It can handle big data and perform complex mathematics. It can be used for rapid prototyping or for production ready software development. Why Python? Python works on a different platforms like Windows, Mac, Linux, Raspberry Pi, etc. And Python has a simple syntax similar to English language, has syntax that allows developers to write programs with fewer lines than some other programming languages, and it runs as an interpreter system, meaning that the codes can execute as soon as it is written, and this means that prototyping can be very quick. Python can be treated in a procedural way and an objective oriented way or a functional way. Something that's good to know is that the most recent major version of Python is Python 3, which we shall be using in this tutorial. However, Python 2, although not being updated with any other than security updates, is still quite popular. In this tutorial, Python will be written in text editor, and it is possible to write Python in an integrated developmental environment such as Tony, PyCharm, NetBeans, Eclipse, which are particularly useful when managing larger collections of Python files. Python has designed for readability and has some similarities to English language with the influences from mathematics. It uses new lines to complete a command as opposed to other programming languages which often uses semicolon or parentheses. Python relies on indentation, uses white space to define scope, such as scope of loops, functions, and classes. Other programming languages uses curly brackets for this purpose. Cool. So a good example to jump right into Python is print hello world. When you use this function, it should literally just print hello world. Let's try it out. Yep. Hello world. So whatever you do when you print, it will print out whatever it is. So for example, if I say print, my name is Slim Shady. Gotta make sure you put the, what are these things called? Quotation marks, because otherwise it won't. So then it will be like, hello world, my name is, oops, and you have to make this lowercase, I believe. Yep. Python's very sensitive with cases, and you have to be sure to just repeat everything. So this will say hello world, and then in the next line it will be like, my name is Slim Shady. Let's see. Duh, 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 duh. Hello world, my name is Slim Shady. Whoop, there it is. So that's the intro to Python. W3 also has these videos. I actually haven't looked at them myself. These are like new though, because when I first was trying W3, it didn't have videos. So I'm interested to see what these videos are gonna be like. But I'm gonna try to not use these videos and try to do it myself first before even looking into what these videos are about. But you guys can go on W3 schools and look at these videos if you want. But yeah, so next time, actually, let's just do this now too. You can go ahead and install Python. It tells you here like how to install Python. Um, but for me, I'm personally not going to install Python. Um, I just want to try to see if I could just stick within the W3 platform, because the last time I downloaded Python, it made my computer very, very, very slow. So I'm going to try to avoid that this time if possible. We're going to see how long we could go through this without having to download Python, but maybe we'll end up having to do it anyways. But yeah, you could come here and figure out how to download Python by following those steps. Alrighty, so next time we're gonna come and we're gonna learn about Python syntax. Thanks for tuning in, and see you later.